Alright, we're going to try a couple more of these. So, this is solving word problems with inequalities continued. So, Mr. Gleason is opening a new restaurant. He has enough booths to seat up to 40 people. He is ordering tables to fill up the rest of the seating space. Each table can seat up to 6 people. If T represents the number of tables Mr. Gleason orders, write an expression to show the total amount of people that can be seated at booths and tables. Alright, so we want a total number of people, right? Well, we already start out with 40 people. He can seat 40 people already. Okay? Well, he needs some tables. We don't know how many tables, so that's going to be our unknown. T represents the number of tables. We don't know that. Each table can seat up to 6 people. Alright, so that's 6 times my T for each table. We're going to add this together, and that's going to give us the total number of people that can be seated at booths and tables. Okay. Alright, write an inequality that can be used to determine T, the number of tables Mr. Gleason needs in order to order, so we can have enough seating at booths and tables for at least 125 people. He wants at least that amount. That means that's the smallest amount of people he wants to be able to seat. So we're going to take our expression here, and 125 needs to be the least amount. And again, you can set this up in 2 ways. 125 being the least amount, so less than whatever my expression represents, or we could say the expression has to be bigger than 125. Okay, and you need to solve this. Okay. Alright, on the back. Now, at the beginning of my last video, I tried to show you a little bit what twice as many means, or 3 times as many means. It means if I have 6 of these blue ones and I have twice as many pink, that means I have to take these 3 pink ones, I have to multiply them by 2 in order to get twice as many pink, which would be these 6 blue. Alright, so what does that look like? Or look at this problem, and it'll make more sense. Anna has an assortment of post-it notes in pink, blue, yellow, and green. She has 4 times as many blue as pink, 3 times as many yellow as pink, and twice as many green as pink. Which does she have least of? Well, because she has 4 times as many blue as pink, that means she has 4 times. She would do 4 times the pink, and that would get her how many blue she has. Okay. Just like here, if I have twice as many blue as I have of pink, that's 2 times pink gets me blue. Right? So, what does she have least of? She has least of the pink ones. Write an expression showing how many blue post-its she can compare to pink. So using this, I'm going to let you finish these pieces. And then she has fewer than 120, so you need to come up with an expression or an inequality using this number and all these pieces. So I'm going to let you work this one out on your own. I just want to make sure you understood what that twice as many meant, or 4 times as many. Alright, so this particular problem has a small typo or misunderstanding. So look here, it says the track team at Hale High School plans to sell t-shirts to raise money for new equipment. At Ted's Tees, the printing costs are 80 cents per shirt. The cost for a t-shirt is $3.75. So you've got to add that together to know what the total cost per shirt is going to be. The shop also charges $125 per order. Here's what they don't tell you. They don't tell you how much do they plan on selling every t-shirt for. They're going to sell every t-shirt for $8.95. So I'm going to write that here. They will sell each for $8.95. This information is going to be helpful for part B, where it says write an expression to show the income from selling N t-shirts. So you're going to have to write 2 expressions, one for the cost, that would be these 3 pieces here, and one for the income, that would be this piece here. I'm going to let you try that because it does get quite a bit complicated, but it's good practice. It uses all the skills that you would have done in the other problems. So good luck, and we will go over some of these in class tomorrow.